Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on your phone. Then you'll see there's no menu on there. It disappears after a few seconds. So what you have to do is just touch the house symbol at the top there, the home symbol, and that brings a menu up. And you've got phone there. Now, there's a couple of ways. If there's a few phones on anyway, if you click there, sometimes you've got pair phone there, which you just click once. If not, if somebody's already in the car and so on and it's struggling to find out which one, you'd go onto Bluetooth by clicking settings here. You've got there, and you've got add a Bluetooth device. So add a Bluetooth device.
On your device and select it once it is found.
There you go, it's come up already, and we need to select Ford Transit.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, it does, so we'll click pair there and yes there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync?
Please
yes.
Stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And you can see there Ford Transit, and that's connected. I'll just finish that. Don't have access to text messaging, so it's not switched on my phone. So there you go, that's it done.